Welcome to this stunning modern home on 2.75 acres in Pennsylvania, where comfort meets style. This three-bedroom, three-bath residence boasts an open floor plan designed for effortless living and entertaining. Featuring a walk-in closet and a luxurious private bath. Two additional bedrooms provide flexibility for family, guests, or a home office. With three full bathrooms, mornings are stress-free, and everyone has space to unwind. Outside, enjoy the privacy of 2.75 acres of land, ideal for outdoor activities, gardening, or simply relaxing in a peaceful setting. The property offers a rare combination of modern amenities, functional layout, and serene country living, making it an ideal choice for anyone seeking a move-in ready home in Pennsylvania. Whether you're hosting, working from home, or enjoying quiet evenings on your property, this home delivers both convenience and charm. Don't miss your chance to own this beautiful Pennsylvania property designed for modern living while surrounded by the tranquility of nature.